Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hi, today we are going to draw a beautiful heart. Let's get started. First grab your pencil and start by drawing two curved lines. These will form the top part of your heart. Imagine you are drawing the topmost of a circle or two large bumps. Start from the center and curve each line outward and downward. Now, form the outer edge of each curve. Bring both lines downwards toward the middle, forming a point at the bottom. These lines will make the V shape of the heart. Make sure your lines are smooth and connect the point at the bottom in a gentle way. Don't worry if it's not perfect, each heart has its own style. Next, let's go over the shape with a darker line, or you can use a pen to outline your heart. Finally, if you like, you can color in it. Try red or pink or use any colors you love. And there you have it, your own hand-drawn heart. Thanks for drawing with me. Thanks for watching this video.